Alright guys, so here's how to change font in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the text that you want to change the font. Alright, so for my case, I'm going with this paragraph, and after selecting that, you need to go to the Home tab on your left upper side, and then here is the text font option. Alright, you can simply tap on this little arrow icon to find out all the text right over here. So if you just move your cursor to a name of a font like this, then as you can see, the text is now changing with the font. All right, so you can get the preview of the text by holding them on like this. You can see the preview of the text. All right, another system to change the font is to select the text like this, and there you will get this little dialog box, and then from here you can also change the text. All right, so that's how you can simply change the font in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll catch you next time.